Shepherd's pie, a well-liked recipe which originates from England but has been developed and tried and innovated by different countries, different regions. This recipe has been innovated and changed as per my nutrition perspective, and I feel that every recipe becomes more better in nutrition, more complete when we add some fresh combinations. We've used mutton mince, but you can always use chicken mince, and for those who are vegetarians they can use soya granules or sprouts. We've taken 2 teaspoons of olive oil so that we can saute the mutton mince. It gets cooked in its own moisture with the help of ginger, garlic, salt, pepper. We put some green chilies and coriander and lime so that flavor is better developed. This low-fat cooking method helps to control calories from a first-class protein source. Today all of us are fighting protein deficiency because protein deficiency gives us low immunity, compromised growth, or we are always feeling tired, sick and lack of energy. Kids need good first-class proteins for better growth. So also adults need good proteins to recover. So proteins coming from non-vegetarian sources like mutton, chicken, eggs, milk, paneer, curd are first class. They are complete in all the essential amino acids. But for vegetarians, we can always learn the fine art of combination proteins whereby the proteins become complete. So having boiled the mutton mince and sliced the tomatoes and capsicum. For tomatoes, one hint, remove the moisture by just pressing between the palms and remove the seeds as well. The boiled potato, since it has very less of flavor, I have used lime, pepper and salt and mashed it together to make it into a smooth paste, because ultimately the potato will be the top layer on the layer of mutton mince and vegetables. People who are into weight watching or want to control their blood sugar levels can use sweet potato or even pumpkin boiled and mashed. Shepherd's pie is a recipe where you combine a good protein, especially mutton or chicken or lamb mince or beef mince, and then you layer it with vegetables. You put boiled potato and then you put eggs. Then it is baked. Please prepare the oven 10 minutes prior to the baking time at 200 degrees centigrade, and the cooking time will be 20 minutes only. So first you grease your 8x-inch glass tray, then you layer it with your well prepared mutton mince with coriander. Here you can vary the greens. If not coriander, you can put mint, you can put parsley, spring onion leaves, spinach or even methi. So once you set your mutton mince or chicken mince, you put the squeezed tomato pieces and then you put your capsicum. Well, the other vegetables which I have tried are, you can put carrot, you can put beet, pumpkin, you can put peas, you can put some boiled pasta or spaghetti. All these will become into layered with the mutton or the chicken mince. Then now we're going to set the boiled potato by pressing between the palms so that it covers the layer of mince and vegetables. Once it's completely layered, we're going to put the well beaten eggs and then put some topping of oil or ghee or butter and let it bake for 20 minutes. Now this recipe can be used as a starter, as a main course meal, or in Ramzaan times as a iftari. This is a complete protein and a balanced meal. It can serve 6 people, and per serve you will get just about 225 calories with a good 20 grams of first class protein. First class proteins are complete in all the essential amino acids, so they are very good for growth, recovery and immunocompetence. In today's times where people are trying to fight disease, this is an excellent recipe addition to your everyday cooking. If you like my recipes, do stay in touch every week. Do not forget to share, subscribe with friends and family, and do not forget to put on the notification button as well so that you don't miss my other recipes which are going to come in soon. Serve with a good healthy portion of mixed vegetable salad or with a bowl of soup or some stir fry, and this is a complete meal, complete in all respects: fiber, protein and carbs. Do not forget to share, subscribe.